Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really good sized love seat. I mean, this is an 80-inch size love seat with huge cushions, as you can see there. These things have really plumped up. We just took them out the other day, and I'm going to be putting this together. It comes very simple instructions, and I'll tell you, this is probably one of the easier sofas to put together. From what I can tell, it comes with all the tools and hardware. They're all the same size, which is great. The feet, I'm going to simply put one of these pieces on the feet and get it locked into place. There's going to be 4 of those on each one of these pieces, and they're just going to simply screw in. So I'm going to start out and do that first. The next step is to go ahead and build the sides and the back, which uses these really nice heavy-duty pieces here. These chrome-plated metal pieces, and then these solid wood pieces here. And again, all the hardware that they have here all lines up exactly as it should, and they do provide you with a tool that you can use, which is an Allen wrench that you can use to put these pieces together. Of course, if you do have access to power tools, you can certainly take advantage of that. Now that we've got all of these put together, on the bottom side of here and on the back and the side, there's already pre-designated holes. These are going to simply line up on here for the sides and the back, and we're going to go ahead and get those screwed into place. Now that we have these wonderful back and side pieces on, I mean, this thing is really sturdy, nice and springy. It's got a definite front that has this Velcro piece on here. These main cushions are absolutely huge. We're going to put one of them on as far as center those up. Then you've got your side cushions here that are going to go on down here to kind of create the arms. And then we've got our back cushions, and that's it. I mean, assembly honestly couldn't have gone much simpler as far as the sofa is concerned. And then once those back ones are on there too, you've got these other ones. They're going to lay across the back. And I mean, this has got lots of cushion in here. Really easy, simple to put together. And it makes a really nice statement in any room.